Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from the Department of Early Childhood Education and Basic Education. Today, we would like to present our final project entitled Enhancing Children's Interest in Science Through Play-Based Learning. Group member, my name is Muhammad Nofar Pribadi, and I will present this together with my group member, Nathanael Alexander Silalahi and Herni Ayudita. Next, background of the study. Point 1. Science develop curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking in early education. Science is very important to learn from an early age because it can make children become more curious, creativity, and able to think logically. Science teach children to ask why and how about the things around them. Point 2. Many students show low engagement in science learning. Unfortunately, many students are not interested or feel bored when studying science. They are not very enthusiastic about following the lesson, which in the end makes their learning result less than optimal. Point 3. Learning is often abstract and teacher-centered. One of the reasons is because the way of teaching is too theoretical, and one way the teacher does most of the talking, while students just sit and listen. Material that is too abstract make it hard for students to understand, and they feel disconnect from the lesson. Point 4. Play-based learning is proposed to make learning more active and meaningful. To solve this problem, play-based learning is proposed as a solution by learning through play and hands-on activity. Students become more active, understand better, and enjoy the science learning process more.
Okay, next, my name is Nathanael. Now I will explain the main problem, cases, and impact. The main problem is that many students have low interest in science learning. They often see science a difficult and abstract subject, so they are not fully engaged in classroom activities. As a result, students tend to be passive learners. Next, we move to the cases. One of the main cases is the teaching method, which is still mostly lecture-based. Students do not get enough opportunity to explore or participate actively. Another case is the lack of hands-on experiment. Without practice, students only learn theory, so it becomes difficult for them to understand abstract concepts. In addition, learning materials are sometimes not interesting or not suitable for young learners, which makes students lose interest easily. Now, there are also contributing factors. The curriculum often focus more on academic achievement rather than exploration. School may also have limited facilities such as laboratories and science tools. Another important factor is the misconception that play is not of learning, even though children actually learn very effectively through play. And finally, the impact. The problem lead to several impacts. Students become less motivated in learning science, and their understanding of concept becomes weak because they do not experience real learning. In addition, their participation is class is low, and their critical thinking skills are not well developed. In the long term, this situation may reduce student interest in STEM fields such as science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Now I will explain the solution and conclusion. To solve these problems, we propose the implementation of based learning in science education. This approach allows children to learn science in a more fun, active, and meaningful way. For example, teachers can use educational games such as sorting objects, matching activities, and role play. These activities help students understand scientific concepts while still enjoying the learning process. Students can also do simple experiments like folding and sinking, color mixing, or observing plant growth. Through these activities, students learn from direct experience, not just theory. In addition, inquiry-based learning can also be applied where students are encouraged to ask questions, explore, and find answers by themselves. Of course, teachers need proper training, and school should also provide better learning resources to support this approach. Conclusion. Now for the conclusion. In conclusion, play-based learning is an effective approach to increase children's interest in science. It makes learning more active, enjoyable, and meaningful. This approach improves understanding of scientific concepts and also develop creativity, curiosity, and problem-solving skills. Therefore, integrating play-based learning and early science education is highly recommended. Thank you for attention.